Hello my friends, welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. If y'all follow me for quite some time, y'all know how much I love rice, one of my favorite side dishes. So today I'm going to share with y'all another great rice recipe. A classic Cajun and Creole dish, but with a twist. We're going to make dirty rice, but instead of using ground beef, chicken livers, and sausage, we're going to make this a vegetarian version. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and is loaded with Louisiana flavor. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and it is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more Louisiana recipes, check out my Cajun and Creole recipes playlist and my previous video, Red Velvet Cupcakes. I'll post the link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your vegetables, your Creole seasoning, and get your rice cooking sugar, because we're about to cook some vegetarian dirty rice magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is cook our rice, and I'm using basmati rice. We need 2 cups. Going to pour it into my 1 cup measurement. Perfect cup. And we're going to pour it into my medium bowl. We need 1 more cup. And 2. So that's our 2 cups of basmati rice. Now we're going to head over to the sink. Going to turn on my water and rinse it. It's very important to rinse your rice to get rid of all that starch. Going to give my rice a second rinse. Okie dokie, our rice is nice and rinsed. We are ready to cook it. On my stove top, I have my medium saucepan. My fire is on high heat, and I'm very excited to use it. It came in my pot set that I got for Christmas. Isn't that a beautiful royal blue color? And to give our rice a lot of flavor, we're going to add in 3.5 cups of vegetable broth. To cook it, just follow the directions on the package. And there's no need to add any salt because the broth has salt in it. All we do is bring it to a boil. Alright my friends, the liquid has came to a boil, so now we're going to cover it. Cut the fire down to low, and we're going to let it simmer for 10 minutes. I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, it's been 10 minutes. Let's take a look at the rice. Oh yes, beautiful. All the liquid absorbed. The rice is fluffy. You see how the grains separated? Perfectly cooked basmati rice. Now we are going to set this aside. Time to prep the vegetables. On my cutting board, I have the Holy Trinity, a must-have in Cajun and Creole cooking. 1 yellow onion, or you can use a white onion. 2 green onions, 1 stalk of celery, and 1 red bell pepper. And I washed them. We're going to dice them up. Look at those beautiful colors. This is going to be a colorful dish. And for the green onions, we need both white and green parts. Alright my friends, our Trinity is nice and prepped. Now we're going to set them aside. On another cutting board, I have my fresh thyme, 2 cloves of garlic, and a jalapeno pepper. And the jalapeno pepper is a great substitute for cayenne pepper. It'll give us a layer of heat. So I'm going to take my fresh thyme, remove it from the stems, and chop it up like so. Okie dokie, I am through chopping up my thyme, and we have exactly 1 tablespoon. Now we're going to mince the garlic and dice up the jalapeno and remove the seeds. And I forgot to mention I washed them. All right, my friends, all of my vegetables are nice and prepped. Now we are ready to cook them. Over here on my stove top, I have my large pot. My fire is on medium-high heat. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using olive oil, or you can use coconut, canola, grapeseed, whatever your heart desire. Going to twirl it around so it can coat the bottom of the pot. Just let it get hot, and as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, the oil's nice and hot. Now we're going to add in the Holy Trinity: onions, green onions, celery, and bell pepper. We're also going to add in the garlic and jalapeno. Whoops, get in there, sugar. Give it a stir until it's well combined. Going to let them cook until they're translucent, about 7 minutes. My friends, I wish y'all was in the kitchen with me. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. Onion, celery, bell pepper, garlic, and with the addition of jalapeno pepper. Oh yes, gorgeous! It's about to get down. All right, now it's time to add in our other ingredients. Our yummy seasonings: 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning, or you can use Cajun seasoning, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, or you can use white pepper, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, a half a teaspoon each of onion powder and garlic powder, and 2 bay leaves. Next, we're going to add in our fresh thyme that we chopped earlier. Again, that's 1 tablespoon. Our freshly cooked rice, and also leftover rice would be great too. Now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and to combine everything together, we're going to add in a half a cup of vegetable broth. Give everything a quick stir until they're well incorporated. Make sure every piece of rice is dirty. That's why it's called dirty rice. All right, my friends, all the rice is nice and coated. There's one more ingredient we got to add to it. 2 cups of fresh spinach that I rinsed. This dish is loaded with fresh vegetables. It's even good for you. And stir that in. Don't worry, it'll wilt down while it cooks. Alrighty, so all we do now is cover the pot, cut the fire down to medium-low, and let it cook for about 15 minutes so all the flavors can combine and meld together. Make some love with each other. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, ready for the grand finale? Here we go. OMG, that looks fantastic. The spinach nice and wilted, and it smells so good up in this kitchen. So now our dirty rice is ready to serve. I'm about to pour it into my bowl. All right, my friends, I got my bowl of dirty rice right here. There's one more thing we gotta add to it. A sprinkling of chopped green onions on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Vegetarian dirty rice. Doesn't that look good? Now I'm about to fix me up a plate and give it a taste. All right, my friends. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. The rice is cooked perfectly. The vegetables are nice and tender. Has a nice kick to it. The flavors are nicely layered. Taste just like Louisiana. This is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. Traditional dirty rice, updated. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Vegetarian dirty rice-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.